Somali for Kids. Lesson 3. Animals. In today's lesson, we will learn about the animal names in the Somali language. If you already know those animals in English, well, you're lucky. Today you're going to learn those animal names in the Somali language. Animals means hayawan. Hayawan. Hayawan means animal. MUKULAAL. MUKULAAL. MUKULAAL is cat. Jir. Jir. Jir is mouse. LIBAAX. LIBAAX. LIBAAX means lion. SHABEEL. SHABEEL. SHABEEL means tiger. Danyer. Danyer. Danyer means monkey. Monkey. A. A. A means dog. Ri. Ri. Ri means goat. Gel. Gel. Gel means camel. Shimbir. Shimbir. Shimbir means bird. DOORO. DOORO. DOORO means chicken. Rah. Rah. Rah means frog. QURAANJO. QURAANJO means ant. BALANBAALIS. BALANBAALIS. BALANBAALIS means butterfly. KALUUN. KALUUN means fish. Yaxaas. Yaxaas. Yaxaas means crocodile. Faras. Faras. Faras means horse. Dameer. Dameer. Dameer means donkey. Dameer farrow. Dameer farrow. Dameer farrow means zebra. Zebra. Mas. Mas. Mas means snake. Dawaco. Dawaco. Dawaco means fox. Geri. Geri. Geri means giraffe. Maroodi. Maroodi. Maroodi means elephant. Mahadsanid. Mahadsanid. Thank you. The end.